You guys, this hair got me feeling like Donatella Versace on the beach somewhere in Venice. Like, where's my cigarette? I need my cigarette right now because I'm Donatella motherfucking Versace. And this hair is just, girl, I can't. Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charisma. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I have noticed through the past week that I have been getting a lot of people subscribing to my channel, so thank you guys so much. It makes me feel so good that you beautiful people want to see my beautiful ass. I am just so overjoyed. It makes me feel really good. So I had a really eventful week. I know I haven't been filming much, but you know, mama got a job and kids and husbands and all that. So I haven't been on lately, but enough about that. Let's go ahead and get into why we here. Check out this beautiful girl. I mean, listen. I mean, ratchet poses, flipping hair. Ma'am, this hair is life. So today we're going to be talking about this wig that I have today. This is by the company latesha-kharizma, I believe. I want to say it correctly, but I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, latesha-kharizma. So it sounds like my name, honestly, but yeah. This is from latesha-kharizma. I bought this wig on Amazon. I had seen a couple of videos on this wig and was kind of like, I was wanting to do a blonde series, but I was scared, girl. I was scared. So I you know, scoped out a couple of videos on this, and I was like, okay, it's cute. It's not too blonde to where I'm like, okay, that's doing too much. It is an ash blonde, which is really, really beautiful. So I went ahead and ordered this, and I ordered this off of Amazon on a Monday. It came on a Wednesday. I didn't even have Amazon Prime, and that's how quick it shipped. This wig retails for $35. Which isn't bad at all. The shipping was $5, I believe. So altogether, I paid like $40 for this wig. And once again, latesha-kharizma is the name of the company. Now, it also came with, let me see here, a wig cap with 2 wig caps, matter of fact. So good looking latesha-kharizma, thank you. Came with 2 wig caps. And then it comes with, you know, a paper on how to store the wig, the safety usage for the wig, how to keep the wig from detangling, you know, just self-care for the wig. It says that this is a realistic looking color soft texture latesha-kharizma wig. It's high quality synthetic fiber, no shedding, no tangling, heat resistant, smooth. It's a daily style and it's party hair. They are like not playing around when they talking about like heat resistant. I went ahead and flat ironed this on 370. And it holds to heat really, really well. I mean, didn't like burn up or anything. Because like I said, you know it was from Amazon. I was scared as hell. I was just like, oh my God, what if I get this wig and it's just like absolute trash? But it held the heat really, really well. And we're going to get into the construction of this wig. So it comes with your standard 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. This wig is super big head girl friendly. It's a really roomy wig. I had to like kind of put my adjustable straps like on the very like last one just to kind of snug it out a little bit. It is soft lace, which I kind of like and I kind of don't, because it's kind of hard to get the wig kind of in place unless you use your Gots to Be, Lord, I think my B2K. Oh my God, great to my group though. Hey, y'all don't even know I was on J-Bug's balls. Anyway, so yeah, and I know I'm 41, so that means I was like 26 when B2K was out. But that's okay. I like a young girl. My husband's 9 years younger than me. Moving on. If you can see my baby hairs or whatever. You guys already know I'm not with that cutting the wig hair and then slicking it down, slicking my eyes. No. It doesn't even look bad with the small amount of hair that I do have showing. So that's fine for me. It also has a deep part. I would say about 3 to 4 inch deep part. Yeah, parting space. You can shift this wig from the left side to the right side, and you can go ahead and do it as a middle part. It's your preference. It did come sort of layered, but I did take my razor comb and I kind of threw a couple of front layers in it just so it can kind of lay correctly. Now, straight out the package, it was kind of bulky. The top was bulky a little bit, so I did, I put a little water on it. You can put water on synthetic hair and flat iron and nothing will happen. Trust me, I've done it on all my Friday night hair units and nothing happened. And I did that, flat ironed it so it can kind of lay right. And then I put my little rag on there, sat it on there for a little while so the top can lay flat, as you see now. So yeah, this is an ash blonde with like medium brown at the roots, if you guys can see that. And I did put concealer in the part. I didn't have to pluck the part at all. The part was pretty much okay, I suppose. Oh my God, this is so, y'all, this is so pretty. As far as tangling, I haven't gotten any tangling. This wig is soft, 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 soft. You can pretty much run your fingers through it, as you guys can see there. I am combing it with my paddle brush, and yeah, minimal shedding. Now, my camera's not catching the whole gist of it, but the wig is long, okay? The wig is like mad long. Comes right like 3 inches below my boob area. Shine is concerned. It doesn't really have a shine to it, not from what I can tell, but once again, if you're comfortable putting your baby powder on there or whatever, you know, you use to kind of dull the shine, you can go ahead and do that. But this unit, I have nothing bad to say about this. This is absolutely friggin' gorgeous. Now, as far as the dark brown going throughout the wig, it goes all the way throughout the wig. Oh my God, you guys, the density. It's thick, it's not thin at all. It's nice and thick, a great density on this wig. I was looking at the paper to see if they said how much density it is, but it doesn't. And it also says on there that it's a 22 inch, but like I said earlier in the video, no, it's not. This has to be at least 26 inches. It's super long, but the density is great. It's nothing bad I can say. That's pretty much it for now. You guys go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Share my video on all social media platforms. That way I can kind of grow my channel even more. Also, if you loved this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up button today for me if I provided you with great quality content. And as always, I will see you dolls in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, y'all be blessed.